This is potting up day for the trial garden entries for 2021 Canby. We've had reservations coming in. We've got the list sorted in the way we want to plant them. We've got them assigned to a stake number. So the tubers have been arriving. We've made stakes. We're going to plant each tuber in a 1 gallon pot to give them a pre-start. So this is early April. We'll plant in early May, around Mother's Day. So they'll have about a month here of pre-start. So this is, one of the stake numbers coming up that we'll have in their 1 gallon pot. It's filled about 2/3 with soil like you would. So this grower shipped to us, it looks like 4 tubers. So what we do is we'll put a nice one in one pot, and we'll put another nice one in another pot, and then that has a nice eye, and the reserve one, in case we need it, we'll put 2 in the one pot. We will give them a little top dressing of this soil mixture. We use the Costco stuff and put a little bit of perlite in it. Locally, that's worked well for us. We just get them potted up and then make the labels readable. I'm going to move them up to these crates that we use, bulb crates, waiting, because that makes it easier to transport. So here we have another of the entries. Again, we prepared ahead of time, made a stake number. We keep everything organized so we keep the right ones together. This one has 3 tubers. One goes in here, one will go in here, and if the tuber is a little bit big like this one in these 1 gallon pots, they'll work fine, but we've got to do a little bit of a submarine process to get that in there so that they will have a chance. It'll be pretty close to the top, but we'll just put the soil a little deeper. All we're trying to do is give these cuttings or tubers a chance to wake up and give us a sprout. They're usually 6 to 8 inches tall when they get planted out. Maybe some of them a little bit taller, but they basically give us a bit of a head start to the trial garden. So those will go in the pot, and for early April we now let them grow. We put them outside and we'll harden them off a little bit later. I think we'll have a little bit of a piece of that along the way, and then in early May we'll plant, and on we go to a new season.